What's up, guys? This is Brandon, and today I have a special unboxing for you. It is the Square One Cube. And it's by, I don't know if you could read that. It says Calvin's Puzzle. Okay, let's get this bad boy open. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some scissors. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, that was really exciting. Okay. Got one piece of tape off. Got this thing over here. I think it's a good stand. Hey, it actually holds. No, it doesn't. It's all torn up. There's a little plastic thing. Saw this cardboard. Wait, what is this? What's in it? So it's just a cardboard box. You see that? See that, guys? Nothing but cardboard. I think this is supposed to be the stand for it. It actually works great. I'm cutting this piece out. So I guess it's taking a little bit long. Whoops. So this works as a great stand. Okay, first turns. I don't know how it turns. Okay, I see that turns. Very cruddy. It's very dusty. Okay, anyone out there, can you tell me how does this thing turn? It turns so weird. Okay, the first thing I discovered is that it can change shape. Okay, comment what other video you should think I'm next. I have no idea. Comment and tell me what way does this turn. I figured out that. And the other way. I know there's front. And then this. And then this. And the other way. One's for a picture, left, righty. You never eat. Alright. In the sky, I am swimming around. This is so difficult turning, guys. Wow, that's so weird. Okay, guys, comment below what you want next, and see you later. Bye-bye.